One crucial issue that the marauding Hurricane Ricky Skerritt has failed to address either in his campaign for the presidency or since he has come into office, huffing and puffing winds of change. We've heard nothing about his plans to resurrect the lost craft of West Indian fast bowling. Remembering, of course, it was our famous battery of fast bowlers that put the West Indies on top of the world cricket and kept us there for the better part of 2 decades. Since then, fast bowling in the region gone to the dogs, generally lacking bite, aggression, and effectiveness, a reality that instructively coincided with the demise of our team. Not enough attention has been paid to that obvious correlation. First of all, the pitches in the region are wicked to fast bowlers. In regional cricket, fast bowlers are like token selections. After 2 or 3 overs, them part on a fine leg, and then it's over to this notorious crop of very ordinary slow bowlers to break all the wicket-taking records. And then when them go up to international cricket, them can't get an appeal. Fast bowlers and fast bowling are no longer valued or respected in West Indies cricket. And if you're going to fix West Indies cricket, as you claim, Mr. Skerritt, you have to fix the things that will resurrect genuine West Indian fast bowling. The lollipop spin and the military medium thing, it's not going to work. Let's see the ball on that.